Okay, in this moment it's 5 o'clock and I'm recording the class. Today it's April 23rd. This is a class of exam preparation. Mm, I was trying to call in to Brian. I'm going to wait 2-3 minutes more. And the idea is the students could get in here today. No, and I think today nobody can get into the class, so I'm going to explain. Okay, I'm going to explain the class of today. Okay, in this class, I have exam preparation that I told you before. This is the 5th week, and the class of today is about reading. Okay, so what is the objective here? The objective is train a rapid reading, scanning, and specific comprehension through matching and detailed questions. Okay, in this activity, I let students, one of them, I choose one of the students to read this. Then I choose other student to read all of these strategies. The first strategy is do not read everything slowly. Read the question first. Look for keywords and scan the text quickly. So then I choose one of the students because we're going to start the first activity. And the first activity is read all the questions. The first question is who should volunteer at animal shelter? Second two, who should take a programming course? Number three, who should join a cooking club? Number four, who should join a school band? Number five, who enjoys helping people and animals? Six, who likes spending time using computer? Number seven, who is interested interested in performing in front of others? So now I choose one of the students read this quickly. Reading text one, people and their patients. Sophie loves animals and wants to become a veterinarian. She prefers outdoor activities and enjoys helping people. Mark is interested in technology and spends hours of his computer. He likes solving problems and creating new things. Lina enjoys cooking and learning about food from different countries. She often prepares dinner for her family. Tom loves music. He plays the guitar and wants to perform on stage one day. Okay? And then when we finish to read this, students, I'm gonna ask you what is the first question. Who should volunteer at animal shelter? So no teacher, it's Sophie, Mark, Lena, Tom's. Okay? So and the first one is Sophie. Mhm. Because Sophie loves animals and wants to become a veterinarian. And then I continue the next question. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Then when we finish to do this, continue the other reading activity. Here we're gonna play a quiz, a game. So I wanna answer those questions. I'm gonna answer those questions according to this Kahoot. So the winner is the student that answer all the questions. So we compete here in this activity about reading. Okay, the questions. Strategies is which works helped you find the answers. This is a question that I asked my classmates, sorry, my students about which word help you find the answers. Okay, remember that this is an exam preparation A1. Okay, it's very basic. The second activity is reading text to people and their patients. Sophie loves animals and wants to become a veterinarian. She prefers outdoor activities and enjoys helping people. Okay. Then we have the reading text to matching. Here, if you see it, I read these questions. What job does Sophie want in the future? Answer: veterinarian. B. Outdoor. A. Because A or B or C. Does she prefer indoor or outdoor activities? Why would an animal shelter be good for her? Okay. Then I can explain you to my classmates, to my students this. In international exams, you don't guess. You match keywords with exact information. Okay. And for last activity, we're gonna do this one, the last one. Here we go here to British Council, and we're gonna do this activity. Okay. So um, the reading here. This is the reading. So the idea is students wants to read this, and then we're gonna do this the next activity about check your understanding true or false. So according to the reading, we're gonna do this activity. Okay, and when we finish this, let's do the matching activity. Okay, so here according to the reading, try to match, drag the correct answer here. Okay, and that's it. So this is the last activity. This is the idea of this class is about matching in reading activities, and that's it. Okay, in this moment, I started recording at 5. In this moment is 5:10 p.m. and nobody uh, got in here today. So thank you. Bye bye.